Ever wondered how influencers are cashing in on their social media presence? We're about to uncover that mystery. Welcome to the fascinating world of social media monetization, where likes, shares, and comments are turned into cold, hard cash. The rise and popularity of social media platforms have paved the way for this new age of digital entrepreneurship. From Instagram models to YouTube stars, influencers are leveraging their online presence, turning their follower count into a goldmine. So let's dive into the process of turning followers into dollars. Monetizing your social media isn't as tricky as it may seem. It starts, as all things do, with building a strong follower base. This is your audience, your clientele, the people who will support your monetization efforts. So how do you build this base? By creating engaging content. Content that speaks, that resonates, that compels. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what they want to see, and delivering it. This is the foundation of any successful social media monetization strategy. Now, once you've built this follower base and are consistently creating engaging content, it's time to monetize. Let's delve into the different methods of monetization. The first is through sponsored posts. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. In return, they'll pay you, either through a flat fee or a percentage of sales. This is a great way to monetize your social media, especially if you have a large and engaged following. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a little more hands-on than sponsored posts, but it can be incredibly profitable if done right. Another method is selling your own products or services. This could be anything from merchandise to ebooks to consulting services. The key here is to create something that your followers want and need. This not only monetizes your social media but also allows you to control the entire process, from creation to sale. And let's not forget about ad revenue. If you have a large enough following, platforms like YouTube will pay you a share of the advertising revenue generated by your content. It's a more passive form of income, but it can add up over time. Remember, the key to successful social media monetization is a strong follower base and engaging content. Without these, the monetization methods we've discussed won't be as effective, so focus on building your audience and creating content they love. See, it's possible to make a living off your social media presence. So, we've covered the basics of social media monetization. In a nutshell, it begins with building a robust follower base. This success is achieved by creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Once that's established, there are several monetization methods at your disposal. From sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, to selling your own products or services, the options are bountiful. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key when it comes to making money on social media. Now, go turn those followers into dollars.